Hi, my name is Noah Thompson. I'm currently a sophomore here at Seton Hall. I'm also on the baseball team here, and that is also the reason why I'm unable to present to you live today, because we are currently traveling to Florida in order to play some baseball games. Now today I would like to talk to you about my business, New Wave Solutions, an e-commerce business that sells on the Amazon Marketplace. Today I would like to discuss with you about three things, which are the current product I sell, the growth opportunity that I see, and the future of this company. First and foremost, the product that I sell is a bath bomb set for kids. It's 8 bath bombs, and within each bath bomb comes a toy. Each bath bomb is roughly 8 ounces, and the current price is $19.97. Eventually, my target retail price is $24.97, but the reason why it's $19.97 at this moment in time is because I am trying to increase sales velocity in order to rank for certain keywords and optimize my listing. Now in 2014 is when bath bombs started to become very popular, and it increased in demand over time. With that being said, bath bombs for kids didn't increase in demand as much as just bath bombs as a whole. But as time has gone on, and especially as you can see, and what's really exciting, this past holiday season, bath bombs for kids exploded in searches. Now today, this is my Amazon Seller Central account. This is where this is my site where I control my listings and things like that and see how many sales I make a day. And as you can see, I have sold 20 units today and 100 in the past 7 days. Also, in roughly about the past 2 months, I've sold almost $8,000 worth of bath bombs. With that being said, here's some of the top competitors that are in the Amazon Marketplace and are currently selling. The top competitor is a company named Sky Organics, and they have a bath bomb set that is 6 bath bombs. They're 5 ounces each, and they each have a toy inside. This is a tool that I use that is able to tell you roughly how many sales they're making a day, and it's telling me that it's making roughly about 84 sales a day at this point in time. With that being said, there's also some other competitors as well. This is also another company called Two Sisters that also sells a set of 6 bath bombs with toys inside, and they sell roughly 30 a day. This company right here sells almost 20 a day, and this company right here sells almost 10 a day. Now what is really exciting and what gives me a competitive advantage over everybody else on the Amazon Marketplace is that I sell a bath bomb set that includes 8 bath bombs with toys instead of just 6. And the reason why this is so important is because Amazon, as an Amazon customer, the customer wants value. They don't want to sacrifice quality, but when searching on Amazon, they want to find a value. And when they see mine, they see a value over everybody else's because they see a bath bomb set that has 8 bath bombs, but also is at a price that is the same, if not cheaper, than any other set on the Amazon Marketplace. The reason why this is good is, once again, Amazon customers look for value. With that being said, I would like to show you the projections I have and also the cost per bath bomb set. So the target retail price is $24.97, and with that being said, here are all the costs, Amazon fees, shipping, and then the bath bomb set as a whole. And it's looking roughly of making about $7.07 a piece. This is an estimate, but the target profit is $7, so we're right on track with that. I foresee an average sales of 20 a day and also an average daily profit of $140, which will in return be an annual profit 1 year of roughly $50,000 in profit. With that being said, I appreciate you watching this, and also there is one concern that Professor Sherrick has revealed to me, and it's, can this actually be a business beyond just bath bombs? And yes, this can be. My uncle does this for a living, and many others do this for a living and make millions of dollars. Basically, the whole concept is you find products just like bath bombs, so to speak, and you find a product that is in high demand with low competition, and then you just hop on it. If you have any questions, I will be calling Professor Sherrick right now, and would love to hear what you have to say. Thank you. Have a nice day.